Hello everyone, in this video I'm talking about how you can show your file extension in Windows. Okay, so first of all I'll open my file explorer. Suppose that this is my file. Okay, so you can see this is my file, but I can't see my extension. I don't know what extension is the file. Okay, so you have to click view. Okay, view and so then click file name extension. Okay, when you click on it will enable the file name extension. Okay, now you can see the file.txt. Okay, my file.txt. So this is the way you can enable the file txt. Okay, file extension. Okay, so that's it for today, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.